Went and bought 5 brand new tires today. Now to clean up the rims, mount them on the Erickson trailer, and take the old tires off and use them for the yard trailers. Why 5? Because we need a spare. Well, here I am in a emergency room. As you can tell by the pictures that I uploaded earlier, I was in a little bit of a fender bender. A gentleman turned left in front of me at the intersection, and as I hit him, the light in my direction turned yellow. So something in my shoulder felt like I got shot, but it's not. We've taken several x-rays here at the hospital, and nobody knows what it is yet. They're going to refer me to a sports medicine clinic and see if they can figure out what's there, what's going on. And the whole time, what I'm worried about is I don't have medical insurance. I can't afford medical insurance. They tell me they want more than I make a year for me to get medical insurance. So we're going to see what happens here. As for now, I'm waiting on my release forms. I've said no to all medication. Hurts. Can't do anything about it. So I'll show you the pictures of the crash, the messed up vehicles. Throw a couple pictures of the x-rays in for you. Thanks for viewing, guys.